Welcome to these lectures. So here now, let's visit our website and see how it look like. I think well, let me click here and click visit. So this is how our website look like, and this copyright footer. So let's change this footer to be one widget. Let's scroll down to layout, right? And then footer. Then footer number of widgets, and footer widget. Going to use only one. So when we hit publish, please check the site again and look at it. So it's only one. So let's move on now. So we can return from here. We can delete this. Then we'll go to see our website name, then dashboard. And let's create pages. From pages, add new. I can say all pages. This is the pages we have. Remember, we created this as a primary navigation menu header. So this is about and this. So now let's create a new one for our Elementor customization. So add this as home. Then we'll come here. You scroll down. Check the template, the feature image, the page attributes. So there's the page attributes. Then sidebar defaults. No sidebar. We're not going to use sidebar here. We're leaving footer. Then content title, we disable that. So once I've done that, you can click publish, then publish again. Now you can view the page and see how it looks like. Right click and view. Actually, this is what we need. You can see there's nothing here. This is a footer. So once you create something, this will come down. So we'll go back. Then we'll go back to all pages. This is it here. Then we just created this. So we can duplicate this. We use Elementor and duplicate it. Then we duplicated it to 1 and duplicated it to 2. So there are 2 now. So let's edit this one. Then we'll call this one about. Then click publish and publish. Go back again. Then edit the second one. Then we'll call this contact. Tap on publish and also publish. So you can view how it looks like. I view it from here. Good. This is it. So I've succeeded in creating pages which we are going to use to edit our Elementor. So now, let's check the page I've just added. if you look at it here now, you can see the way it is. So before we move on, we'll go to our setting, then power links. Go to power links. We're going to select the best structure, that is post names. Then we'll click save changes. Then the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to point our home page to the new home page we just created. As you can see, it's still here. So let me go back so that I can see it very well. So I'll scroll here. Let's refresh this and see. Good. So scroll down and choose this home page settings. Click on it. Your home page display your latest post. So that is this as displaying. So want to change the static page. Then we'll click the static page. Once we change it, this will disappear. Then home page. Then we'll select home. Good. So we can now do whatever I want to do now. So click here, publish. So now can go back from here. I'll click here. Good. Then we'll click edit page. So we can edit our home page because we're on home. Good. Then now we select edit with Elementor. You have to wait for some time because it takes time to open. Sometimes it will ask you to log in or create an account. Good. This is it. We're here on Elementor. So now the next thing we're going to do now, instead of start building one by one, we're going to select already built template with Elementor. So we'll click here, add template. Remember, we're using free. So if you see pro, it's not for you. So the one we're going to use is free. So these are free. We're going to scroll down and check for more. It seems free are just few. Very few of them. Yeah, that is this one. So we insert it. Once you insert it, it's going to take the shape of your home page. So insert, say connect to a library, then we'll get started. So here now is asking us to create an account. Say user, connect, become a contributor. I don't need that. Okay, let me connect to my library. So if you don't have this, you must create an account. Otherwise, that won't work. So once it's verified, you can now go ahead and create it. Good. So we're done connecting. If you don't have an account, you must create an account to your Gmail address. It's just as simple as ABCD. It doesn't involve money, so it won't be scared. This take a little bit before you finish loading and downloading. Well, let me pause and come back while load finish. It's still loading. So it has finished loading. So this is now the new way our website is looking. So this, you see, you can edit and add whatever you want. So we're going to do that quickly. We're going to edit all this. If we want to edit, we'll start from here. We'll click on edit. So you go here now. I see full width, the way it is. Then I click here. This image, can change this image. So I can choose image. This image associated with it. So we can put our own here. Good. I can crop it and do whatever I want to do. But now I don't want to do anything. So you can see we have changed that to our image. You can edit this one. Then you can duplicate this. So we'll edit this one as well. We'll click here. We'll go to style. The same way you change image is the same way you change other things. I'm going to use our own image here. And I'll use this, our ugly man. So you can see it. In case if you don't like it, you can still replace what you just removed. You check it on library. And this is it. You replace it back. And it's back now. So then you can as well change this image. You can edit this. You can see it. Edit this one. Good. You can see that. You can edit this. You can edit the column. Then same way you can do other ones. So we can duplicate. You can duplicate and edit other things. As you can see now, you can add a section here. And this is it. So then you can decide to edit these ones. It's just as simple as that. Once you are done with that, then the next thing you are going to do is you click here. You update. Always remember that you have to update. So this is button. You can change the URL, change the look, change the image, and change anything you want to change. So let's check our website again. Good. You can see our website. It's a new look of our website, which is just awesome. So the next thing we're going to do on the next lecture is to add the posts. Show you how you can add posts and where you can place your post. So for now, let's check whether there's any way we can make this image to be in a web form. So we'll click here. Okay, so this is the image, and we'll scroll down. Image position, center, attachment defaults, we scroll, repeat. So let's check our shape divider, see whether this image can be in a web form. So click on shape divider, then click on divider, or click wave. You can see we have wave, but instead of top, let's choose bottom. Select bottom and put wave. You can use curve. You can see it. It's just awesome. So we have at the top wave, at the bottom curve. You can add the width. You can see. Then add the height and change whatever you want to change. Then the color, you can decide to change the color. You can see the color here now. Then select here. So whichever thing you want to do, then choose top. So let's choose something like a wheel brush. Okay, split. You see it. Zigzag. I'm going to give it something. Mountain. Wow, that's fine. That is fine. Then change the color. No, the color of mountain. Wow. I think this is okay. Then you can remove this border. So border none. And shadow. You can see that. So let's go to the shape divider again. I can remove this, the color. Good. You see it, but as a mountain concern. So there are many things you can do. So you see our website, see how it look like. Now let's update. Check our website. Good, you can see it as a mountain top and cover at the bottom. So you can edit other image that way or that slide that way. So let's see whether we can quickly run posts, add some posts on our website, and I will show you where you can make this post display inside this homepage. Remember, this is our homepage. So this is how our website look. It's very beautiful. You see our footer. You can place this at the middle anywhere you want. So let's add another block which we are going to use for our header. So add the header block or heading block. Say add your heading text here. Change this to your own language. That's what I'm going to do now. Make sure you have something catchy there. Let's change the color of our heading. Yes, this will suit the title color as well. So you can add the link address or a link. It will take the user to there. So we'll click update. It's important to click update because if you don't do that, what you have done so far may not be saved. So let's visit our site again and see how it looks like. This is our beautiful site. We're on home page now. So I'll copy the URL of our home page and add to any of these buttons so that you see how it's done. Now here, it's was not here too. That is here. I'll click here, then add the link. So let me make it about, so that anyone that click here, it will take us to about. This is what I call clickbait, or something of that nature. So click on it, it's taking us to about page. So let's continue with customization. We'll check the navigation menu, the menu header. So I want to get rid of all this and add my own. So I'm going to add all this and remove the default. Or click on that cross to remove them. I remove it, then drag and drop mine. I'll double click on the plus sign. So after adding, make sure you save. Please refresh other ones that are open as well. So go to all pages from dashboard to delete those ones we just removed from our menu header. So before you delete, check the ones you are deleting, so that I don't do the wrong thing. So trash that. I'll check this one again before we trash it. We'll trash this as well. So trash this one too. So let's visit the site again and see how it looks like. Good, this is our nice looking site. I want to change the color of that particular navigation menu. Good, I think this is cool. It's okay by me. So do your own. Now change use your own color I'll click on publish. So I have to refresh this to update what I've just done. That is the removal of default page and adding our own. So we'll copy this because we're going to use it on our contact. Click edit page and click on contacts. Then click edit with Elementor, so they can enable you paste the slide you just copy. So this is where you paste the slide. Now let's copy another one. I think this one is better than the first one, but the process is the same. I've copied this so we can paste it here. Right click and select paste. We paste it here, and also drag and drop a Google Maps from Elementor Builder plugin. So these are our contacts. You'll do the same thing to about page. Generally, this is how to customize a WordPress website with any theme. The difference is not much. So this is how our contacts look like, and they look nice. So in your own case, you can edit it further. So let's check our about page. I just did the same thing, copy slide and add on it using edit page and edit with Elementor. So let's visit our home page. Now what I'm going to do now, let's see any of our posts, how it look like when a user or a visitor visit our website. Let's click on one of the posts, and it's nice looking. It looks great.